how to remove account warning on TikTok. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started. Now to solve this problem, you can use two methods that I'm about to show you. And before all that, we all know if you get a warning on TikTok, it's because of violating or ignoring TikTok terms and guidelines. So if you get this warning for violating TikTok rules, the first method, you need just to leave it and wait TikTok to remove it. So they'll just remove it after a few months. Then once they remove it, you need now to be very careful next time so that that error does not happen again. And if you received a warning in a way that you don't even understand yourself and you know you've been following all the TikTok rules and guidelines, then the second method will help you remove the warning on your account. So what you need to do on your account, on your TikTok account, you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then your profile page will open up. Next, you need to tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then on this pop-up options, you need to tap on settings and privacy. Then under settings and privacy, just scroll down to support. Then tap on report a problem option. Then next on report a problem page, you need to tap on this paper icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll be sent to feedback page, right? Again, tap on paper icon in the top right corner. Then right here, you need to type in a short message explaining the problem you have and why you think a warning was sent by mistake on your account. And if it's your fault, then act nicely by apologizing to TikTok and request them to remove the warning that is bothering you. So guys, after writing all this message, now you can tap on send a feedback. Then wait for TikTok to review your feedback and they'll get back to you with a response. So guys, that's how you can remove a warning on TikTok account. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.